On my video about the fanciest French kitchen I saw at KBiz, user Can I Sing or Not asked, WTF is the point of not putting glass in the door to look inside? And you know, is serious and feels very strongly about this because they put 2 question marks. That's a great question. I'm glad you asked, and we're going to get into it right now. Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, follow along. We'll have some fun. Why is it that the higher scale you go when it comes to appliances, the simpler they get? In America, even the cheapest white Amana apartment-style coil-top ranges, the type of ranges that you'll buy brand new for around $500, have glass in the door. Then we move to your mass market premium things like KitchenAid and GE Profile, and you'll buy them for between $1,000 and $2,000. Those have it. Even premium commercial style ranges like your Viking, Wolf, or Thermador, which are all patterned after ranges you would find in a commercial kitchen, and the average price in their lineup is closer to about $10,000, have glass in the front door, so you can peek at your food cooking. Even when you look at truly commercial ranges that are adapted for the home, you will see glass in the door, brands like Capital Range or American Range. It's such a uniquely American feature that even when Italian brands like Forza do their market research and bring a range that is uniquely designed for the American market, not only do they have glass in the door, but they make it really easily removable for cleaning. So why is it that when we look at brands like La Cornue, Lavalier, and many AGA ranges, we see a trend towards solid doors? And these are brands that you can sometimes spend $20,000 or $30,000 or more just on the range. By the time you've bought all the other appliances, you're over $100,000 easy. The answer is actually a very obvious one, and it's one that we've talked about on this channel before. Say it with me, class. Every product is right for somebody. So who is this product right for? The answer is professional chefs or people who just love to cook, who have money. I was having a conversation years ago with a professional chef who was familiar with all of these brands that I mentioned to you previously, and I asked him if he could design his dream kitchen, which range would he pick? And he surprised me by pointing to a range like this, and I genuinely thought he'd pick a stainless steel professional style model, but he didn't. When I asked him why, his answer was very simple. I use stainless steel ranges like that all day, every day in my career. I've used them forever, and to me, they're pretty ugly. For me, I want to be as happy sitting at my kitchen table, drinking a cup of coffee, and looking at my range as I am using it. And that quote has stuck with me for many years. It changed the way I look at a lot of these products, because if you were to bring that up to a professional chef, the fact that it doesn't have a window, he would look at you, shrug his shoulders, and say, then I'll open the door. If I want to look at the food, you can't really see that much through a window in most ranges anyway. You can't tell how brown the cookies are without opening the door. You can't tell how well your meat is done. So for a chef, for someone who loves to cook, this is a non-issue, and that's the reason. The old world beauty of a range like this is more important than that one modern feature. So remember our credo, say it with me, class. Every product is right for somebody. Are you choosing the right products for you, for your remodel, and most importantly, the lifestyle you want to live? Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.